Hello guys, welcome. This is my YouTube channel and currently I'm in Lappeenranta, Finland. So let me show you all some quick videos. In Lappeenranta, at many places you will see like such flowers there placed on the streets. So many different kinds of flowers. Okay, if you see all the street lights, even the street lights will have flowers. Okay, yeah, very beautiful. See the trees here, and it's summer in Finland now, so basically everything is glooming. See, it's such a beautiful view. There are also chairs here for people to sit. Couple of chairs over there towards my right, and if you see the flowers, they are blooming. People walking on the roads, there are flowers there. Few restaurants here, now it's closed. And then if you see, there are also some orange flowers similar to what we have in India, but yeah, I think actually it's the same flower, the chendu flower that we see in India. So same flower. Some flowers here. If you see, all different kinds of flowers are here. So beautiful. See the white ones, the purple ones, the pink ones. If you go a little bit further, let's see. If you see here the green plants, then here are some velvet colored flowers. They're actually velvet in color. They might be looking black in the video, but they're actually not black, but they're like a bit brownish velvet. See the leaves here, and there are little whitish pink flowers here. Then again the velvet flowers. So guys, this is basically a typical placement on the streets here in Finland. Here's the bus and the bus stand. Now I have to cross the road, so I'm going via zebra crossing. Yes, again once I cross the road, again there are a couple of flowers here. See the placement of the flowers here. Here there are some wooden strips placed here, green grass, and a beautiful view. Then again, lots of flowers placed here. That's the bus stand, guys. It goes to Lappeenranta University. Tomorrow I will upload a video on Lappeenranta University. So as I move forward, as I said, that the streets have flowers here. There is ice cream parlor here. You can take a good ice cream here. And here you see a dolphin is sitting here. A sculpture in the center of the road. Here comes the church. Now I'm going towards mall. Let's see. Some eucalyptus trees here. These are the cycle stands. And couple of flowers again here. As I said, it's a summer season, although it's late summer now at this time, but you see the flowers, guys, so beautiful. You can also come with your families for Finland trip just to view this flowers, guys. See the beauty of this flower, so beautiful. All these flowers here. Till the end. This is still, there is still time to bloom. And this one, see here, so beautiful. Kind of a public park here. And now let me still keep walking to the mall. Some more flowers here. So well maintained, guys. See, so beautiful here. See, actually I'm not able to capture the real beauty in camera, but if you see it in real, it's very astonishing, very beautiful. This is the children's play area. See the flowers here. See the flowers here. See the beauty. Flowers here. So that's the mall which I have to visit now. That is the Mall, and let's go, guys. Here we can also hire this kind of cycle. So this is the view. Some more beautiful. I'm not sure if these are wild, but all in same pattern. Across the road and again the same pattern. These flowers are there. It's evening, 8 o'clock, and see the sun. Now, since Finland is in the Nordic region, as you know, the earth is oval in shape, and the top Finland is located in the top upper. That's why the sun here during this time in the summer sets very late. So this is the mall which I have to visit now. Let's go.